Ain't nothing going on. This is a mall that used to be popping. Look at it now. Ain't nothing going on. My baby running from me, and I'm here about to see if I can go to JCPenney's and use a coupon I got. But this mall used to be popping, and now look at it. That's why I say I don't see malls being around in the next 5 to 10 years. I wouldn't be surprised if they're gone. But yeah, so if you got malls in your areas, enjoy them. I'm just coming in. This is T. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Where you going? It's crazy, ain't it, how times are changing? I used to love this mall when I was a kid because it would be the slower mall, but it would still be popping. And you didn't have to deal with the busyness of all the craziness. And now look at it. I don't know if my little daughter in her teen years would be able to enjoy a mall. Man, I remember when I used to come up here with me with my kiosk. It ain't the same now with my little baby coming to the mall. You like the dresses, Dari? You like them dresses? Which one you like? It's really sad to be right before Christmas and all you see is stores closed. Usually they have a lot of Christmas decorations. They ain't got nothing up in here. Where you going? Can I be that happy?
It's open here.
Right? It's like crazy for it to be right about Christmas time and it's nothing.
All these stores are closed.
Me neither. I'm like, I hope JCPenney's still here. Where you going, Koofball? Only Macy's is holding it down. It's crazy. This is sad. Usually you see a Christmas tree, but this is very telling for it to be the Christmas season and none of these stores have sales. I got a feeling this won't be here next Christmas. Crazy. What's your niece? Who does remind you of? She been picking up stuff, ornaments, all that. And I'm trying to find something for me because I got a $20 reward. I just got this little sweater here, but I'm ready to just go get her something. You know, see, I'm turning into that mother that just think, you shop for the kids more than you do yourself.